G'day everyone, just want to say a huge thank you to all the subscribers out there. We hit 10,000 subs today, which is something I never really thought would happen. I always hoped it would, but in the early days of starting this channel, it just seemed like it was never going to happen. It took me a year and a bit to get to 1,000 subscribers, so to get from 1,000 to 10,000 so quickly has been really just awesome. I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful especially to the ones that have been there from the start. Thank you for following along all this time. I really appreciate that. And if you are new here and you are a new subscriber, there is plenty to see on the channel. Chances are, based on what my analytics are telling me, either the time-lapse on the house that I renovated that used to be a rehab facility, either that brought you here, or the time-lapse on my Corolla may have brought you here as well as maybe the series I did on my Hilux. But if you are new here, I'm into my construction. That's what my qualifications are, but I'm also a car enthusiast and pretty handy with cars as well. So if the opportunity is there to teach and educate, I'll try and make a tutorial, and if the opportunity is not there, I'll try and make something entertaining or satisfying to watch. So currently I'm working on my own house. We haven't been here for a year quite yet, and we are just going to town on it, like piece by piece. It's a totally different ball game to working for someone else. So hopefully there's some content that you haven't seen. Feel free to go through my channel, rediscover a few things. The 2 time-lapse videos that did really well, there's actually an entire build series where I go through in detail, episode by episode, of what I'm doing, whether that was the Corolla, the Hilux rebuild, the old rehab facility that is now a home, and I'll be doing the same thing on this house here that we're working on. So feel free to go see part 1, 2, and 3. There's also some tutorials as far as, you know, replacing windows, architraves, stairs, all manner of doors, so sliding doors, cavity sliders, just your typical hinge doors. So plenty of information there if you are keen on your DIY, keen on renovating, and keen on absolutely doing things yourself. So just wanted to say thank you, update you on that. It's a huge milestone to hit 10k subs, so I appreciate all those followers out there. Thank you so much. And yeah, we're just looking forward to the next year and see where it takes us. So thanks for sticking around, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Alright, if you've made it this far, you're probably pretty keen to know what's going on with the house. So I will give you a quick update as of today, which is 12th of October, something like that. So we've got a barbecue in this room because we're doing a bunch of work outside. We can finally plaster the ceiling now that this door unit is in. That's also new, that went in yesterday. I've been working on this retaining wall for the last couple of days. So it's been a very busy 2 days. We've got that 100mm worth of rain coming, but for now it's okay. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but got a bit of a curved, sunken down seating / fire pit area going on here. So I'm keen to show you that. I'll show you that as it happens. So that's outside in the backyard and one of the guest bedrooms. Bit of a mess, as you could imagine. Now this is the other guest bedroom. Got our window in, all our plaster on, ceiling included, so just a bit more plaster. That's our wardrobe. I'll probably put a curtain over that in the short term just so we can host guests. Got a door to go, and that'll pretty much be it for this room. We're waiting for 2 more bits of glass. The aluminium hasn't arrived for the door sections, so the front door and the laundry door we're still waiting on. But basically where those black panels are will be the front door. It's going to be awesome to see that go in. This room here is just storage, exercise, pretty boring, but it's a makeshift garage because we don't have one anymore. And then the laundry, halfway through plastering, waiting for that door, then we'll finish plastering. So it's all going pretty well. We got our new stairwell and stairwell window in, so that's a huge difference. It actually feels like a proper stairwell instead of a laundry with stairs in it, if you know what I mean. So pretty happy that that's all coming along nicely. So appreciate you sticking around, appreciate your patience, and I kind of want to get all the windows in and then make that the milestone where I release part 4, and it seems like a nice place to end that video when I make it. And yeah, so stick around, part 4 will come when it comes, and yeah, appreciate the patience, and thanks for watching.